Hi, I am Dr. Ameet Dixit. I've been practicing implant dentistry and general dentistry in GK1 from past 20 years. I have been working with various dental labs, domestic labs and international labs for my prosthetic work, and I was pretty much satisfied with few of labs around, but Vatech team approached me and said to give them some work, and I tried them for 2 years before. And to be honest, I switched all my work from different labs and I gave my all the work to Vatech Dental Lab because they deliver the amazing products. They do great full mouth rehabilitations. They do full mouth zirconia. They have designed Palo Malo for me. They are great and they do a lot of cosmetic work. They have a lot of aesthetic sense. My patients are complimenting me with kind of work, aesthetic work I am delivering, the kind of fitting I am giving them, and they have really complimented me for the kind of work I have delivered them. So my congratulations to Vatech and team for giving me this kind of work, and I want to thank them. And it's my honest recommendation to every individual, try this lab and you will feel yourself what is the significant difference between the others' work and their work. Mohit, Ranjit and their team, they do amazing work. They will coordinate with you, they'll hold your hand and they'll make sure that you finish your case well. It's not that I give them 2 times, 3 times, you have to adjust a little bit, you have to do this. They'll happily do it for you. I must congratulate Vatech for it. All the best. Thank you.